everybody!
Hello everybody and welcome! We are now flying back over to America, this time Native America, where the students will be making traditional headdresses.
That's right, you can see here we've got a traditional Native American headdress. Before people like myself came to America, we had the Native Americans. And they used to wear these beautiful headdresses made with feathers to show their rank and wealth. What do you think about all that hair?
Well, it's always a part of history. I think it's a great interest because unfortunately, the Native American people, who we call now, their population has been shrunk so much during the last 300 years due to colonisation by, unfortunately, the British, who attempted to set up what we call land pools on the ocean or on the riverbed, and the Native Americans, they used to get scared initially and run away, and then the British would take over their Native American camps. But as things progressed, obviously the British, who tried to colonise, run out of food, so they were trading something we call nowadays weapons. So it's a very, very sad thing now, but as Teacher Aaron had just said, back in the day, that they used to show their rank with the band and the markings on the band and the different types of plumage, feathers. So anyway, I hope you lot have fun here today, students at Mark Future, trying to think about this certain type of world history.
France, Greece and England, Egypt, Kenya, Nigeria, all around the world, people want to be loved. Yeah, all around the world, there's no different than us. No, all around the world, people want to be loved.